Good afternoon, Grummy. Just got home from the doctor's. Got until 1 o'clock now. I got to haul ass to the food bank. We're going to feed up all of the veggies. Give them their first feed of the year. It's Alaska fish fertilizer. I brought out 4 gallons from my dehumidifier bucket. pH is really high. And ppm is really low. So I take advantage of it when I can, because this stuff drops the pH down a lot and requires a lot of pH up. So I'll be able to save a little pH up doing this. I do it whenever I can. All my humidifiers was topped off, so I said, why not? We're gonna go with 5 tablespoons, 5 gallons. Let's see what we're at on the pH. Oop. That little thing is gone now. I already shook it up. I shook it up good. This video image ain't good. We got to blame it on Galaxy. I got my tablet turned sideways. We'll see how it grows. I'm blaming it on you, Galaxy. Yeah, I ain't even started yet. We already down to 6.1. And dropping. Woo! I'm probably gonna give everything. Get my little gray little 2-liter watering bucket. Run around here and throw 2 liters at everything. And go from there. Probably gonna take an easy 20 milliliters to get the pH up to 6.2. I know I need to go ahead and order me another bottle now. I think I'm about 3/4, 2/3. I'm gonna need more. Goddamn weatherman lies like hell. I don't know which one's lying. The weatherman or the fucking AI. My weather channel is showing 84 for the high today. And they're saying 90 plus, low 90s today. So which the fucking one is it? Who's telling the truth? The weatherman or the fucking AI? Don't believe everything AI says. That was 10 mil. That ain't do shit. Still at 477. It might be 30 mils. I forgot. It's been a while since I used this. Since last year. And this Alaska fish fertilizer, I'm gonna let that chill for a second. See what we get up to. It might be one of being 30 goddamn mils. Oh. 511. Ideal for all plants, including vegetable gardens, fruits, roses, shrubs, trees, and container plants. Shake well. Already had done that. Says apply every 3 weeks. Every 2 to 3, you know. Cannabis might require every 2. But this shit works great. I love it. I'll break out the Dr. Earth one to get close to flowering. Alright, I'm gonna go another 10. That took us up to 5.2. I can see I'll go another 5. Playing on the safe side. I don't want to overshoot. 25 mils. Overshot. God damn it. Might have to put a couple drops of pH down now. I hate using pH down. Plants don't like pH down. Absolutely. Well, STS on the GG number 4 either tomorrow or Friday. And we'll probably take a look out here and see what this looks like. Oh, let me get you up off of there. We'll look at the veggies now and see what they look like after 2 days after giving them a feed. Let me get you down from there. Hold on. I'm gonna probably try to flip my cam up, see what happens. Okay, dokie. This is my little. What the hell is it again? I have a hard time with this plant. It's my tuber. It's a butter potato. Oh, fuck it. I'll remember the name later. Weedia knows what it is. Here's my okra. Jalapenos. Brussels sprout. Brussels sprout. My crooknecks. I love yellow crookneck squash. Another big boy tomato plant. More crooknecks. I believe these are the bell peppers. Zucchini. Another big boy. Zucchini. Ooh. Still ain't potted this little big boy up. I'll give him a little feed. What the hell? feed my clover. Gotta feed the clover. Big boy tomato plants. Jalapenos. Zucchini. Another big boy tomato plant. And then of course we got the cucumbers and the other two Brussels sprouts over there on the other side of the yard. I ain't taking you through all that shit. I'm gonna get after this. I gotta get going. Whew. We'll see what these things look like 2 days from now. We'll look at them Friday. See how much they've improved. Till then, I appreciate you muchly. I'm out of here. Peace.